welcome to our magical walking tour of Mickey's Toontown here at Disneyland California. Today, we're going to explore one of the most whimsical and family-friendly areas in the park. As we stroll through this vibrant and lively neighborhood, you'll feel like you've stepped right into a classic Disney cartoon. Get ready to meet your favorite characters, hop on fun-filled rides, and discover hidden surprises around every corner. Kids can enjoy Goofy's Playhouse, where they can let loose and play, while parents can soak in the colorful, cartoonish architecture and delightful atmosphere. Families will also love the interactive experiences in Mickey's House and Minnie's House, where you can immerse yourself in the playful spirit of Toontown and enjoy some hands-on fun. And don't forget to snap plenty of photos with Mickey, Minnie, and all their friends. They're always excited to see you. But the adventure doesn't stop there. At the end of our tour, we'll be hopping aboard Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. This ride promises to be a zany, out-of-control adventure through the cartoon world, full of unexpected twists, turns, and laughs for the whole family. So, lace up your walking shoes, bring your sense of wonder, and join us for a day of fun, laughter, and unforgettable memories in Mickey's Toontown. Welcome back, everyone. We've just had an incredible tour of Mickey's Toontown, and now it's time for the grand finale. We're about to board Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, one of the newest and most exciting attractions here at Disneyland California. Get ready for a wild ride like no other. This zany adventure takes you right into the world of Mickey and Minnie's cartoons, where anything can happen, and it usually does. You'll join Mickey, Minnie, and their friends on a train ride that goes hilariously off the rails, all thanks to Goofy's whimsical driving. Hold on tight as we embark on a journey full of unexpected twists, turns, and laugh-out-loud moments. The animation comes to life all around you with stunning visuals, catchy music, and plenty of surprises. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to experience the magic and mayhem of Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Here we go!
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hiya, folks. Hello there. How you doing? Thanks for making me a copy. You sure did a good job. Well, ain't there a place? What could possibly go wrong? Oh, no! I must have hit that track switch. Oh, my fault. Oh, no!
We're dancing.
Now, let's come down!
stop. Always check my trusty man. Oh, ow. That's smart. Guess I'll just press all the buttons and see what happens. You don't have any other plans? Well, hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.